Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tina and welcome to my circus. Halloween is over, which means I'm going back to my regular muggle face of just regular makeup, and it makes me sad. Although I'll probably sneak in some more special effects things, throughout the year, but for now we're back to our regular schedule. So today's video, we're gonna take it way back. We're gonna do the complete opposite of what we've been doing for the last month. You know, we're not doing any more spook makeup, no more like crazy gory stuff, no more heavy makeup. I'm gonna bring it back to the basics, and we are going to do a very simple, just natural glam look. Like kind of that, it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup, but you look really pretty today kind of look. And it's kind of my favorite thing to do. Doing all these tutorials, you put on a lot of makeup and cake on a lot of stuff, and I just want to do something that is like a simple, everyday, everybody can achieve this look kind of deal. There's no crazy winged eyeliner, there's no crazy blending, there's no cut creases, there's no nothing. It's very simple. Everybody can do this, and it makes everybody just look effortlessly beautiful. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, go ahead and stick around. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would hit that subscribe button because we're kind of cool around here, and it is what it is. So anyway, let's go ahead and hop on into the video. Before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. On Halloween, I actually hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited about it, and like honestly can't believe that there's that many people that actually like care to hang out with me and like care about what I post on my channel, and it just makes me like really grateful. Granted, compared to all the other beauty YouTubers and stuff out there, 1,000 is like very minimal compared to the millions and things like that, but I just still find it so humbling and like crazy that there's 1,000 people here on YouTube that actually genuinely like care enough about what I do that you wanted to be subscribed to my channel. And I just want to say thank you to everybody. It's amazing. I'm super grateful for all of you, and I'm super grateful for everybody that will subscribe in the future if you want to. I know I always like joke around about, because I'm cool around here and blah blah and all these different things, but like genuinely, like I'm very happy that you guys are here. So let's go ahead and jump on into this. I know it's a little dark in here. I feel like I need to like turn up the light a little bit. I did take down like my cobweb stuff, but I liked the black glitter like curtain, so I wanted to keep that here. So, Alright, so first let's go ahead and start off with the base. I have extremely dry skin, so I'm actually gonna go in and do a primer. If you normally use a primer, go ahead and use one. I go in with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, this guy right here. I love using this. It's very great for dry skin, which my skin right now is just going through it. Just with us getting ready to go into like the winter season, the weather's changing, my skin is dry, and we need some moisture. So we're gonna go ahead and moisturize this face. Just rub it all over the face. All right, so next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a foundation. I'm going in with a very insanely light coverage foundation. I'm gonna be going in with this guy right here by Benefit. It is the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. I am in the shade number 8. This is what it looks like. It's just this cute little happy faced little foundation, dude. I think the packaging on it is like adorable. So anyway, I'm gonna use this. It is extremely light coverage. So what I mean by like making this glam, like no makeup kind of natural look, if you want to go in and use full coverage foundation because you need it or you feel like you need it, I don't think anybody needs full coverage foundation, but whatever makes you comfortable, then go ahead and do that. But the point of this tutorial is to kind of make it look like it's a no makeup glam type deal. So I'm going in with this. It's very light coverage. It's almost like putting tinted water on your face. If you don't have this, go in with a very light foundation, or another favorite of mine is this guy right here by MAC. It's the MAC Next to Nothing face color. I am in the shade just dark in this one. I use this one quite a bit as well, and then a regular BB or even a CC cream will work just fine. You're not looking for full coverage, you are just looking for, something to kind of help even out the skin tone kind of thing and just kind of make your skin look nice, refreshed and natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna go ahead and just dab this all over my face. Then next, I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all in. I love this foundation. It just leaves your skin looking so smooth and so even, and just like if you can see it in the camera, just like this nice natural glow to your face. I freaking love it. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and conceal our under eyes, you know, because when you're naturally beautiful, you don't have dark circles, right? I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my favorite. I'm gonna go in with the bareMinerals bareSkin Concealer. I am in the color medium golden. This is hands down my favorite concealer. I don't care what anybody else says on the internet, Tarte Shape Tape, whatever else concealer people use. This is easily the most natural concealer I have ever used in my entire life. I've yet to find anything that is as natural. Yes, I own like Tarte Shape Tape and ColourPop and things like that, but I find them to be very, very heavy, and they can be creasing and just like thick. Like they're in there to conceal, but this just goes on so creamy and so light, but still covers up everything. It's just the best. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead in with this. I'm just gonna conceal under my under eyes. I'm not gonna go crazy like contouring the face and like, you know, concealing the forehead and like down my nose and like all those other things. Again, taking our damp beauty blender and blending. And we're gonna blend this concealer on top of our eyelid as well. All right, so we're looking a little bit more bright, awake. That's what we're going for. All right, so next I am gonna go ahead and put some powder on my under eyes. That way we can just make sure that none of our concealer creases or anything. I'm gonna be going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder. Best stuff that I own and use. It goes on, leaves a nice natural matte finish on the skin. Doesn't make you look cakey, anything like that. So I'm just gonna take some on my beauty sponge here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just press this into my under eyes. And we are going to let this bake for a while. Just on the under eyes, just like so. So next what we're gonna do while this bakes, we're gonna go in and do our eyebrows. Just go in and do your eyebrows like you normally would, whether you draw them in with a pencil. I go in with an eyebrow pomade, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom through this really quick. You know, I do have an eyebrow tutorial. I will link that, or I will put it at the end of this video, so that if you are looking for like an eyebrow tutorial, I do have a thing on that. However, I wanted this just to be as quick, simple, glam type deal. So I'm gonna go in and we're gonna do these eyebrows. Alright, eyebrows are on. Let's go ahead and dust this powder off. Just take any powder brush that you have. I'm kind of like slim pickings on my normal powder brushes because I'm dumb and I washed all my brushes, so they're all wet. So like I'm using like my reject brushes right now. A little bit difficult, but we'll get through it. Just go ahead and just dust this off. Anybody else just like love what Mercier does to their skin? Like after you set it, like my skin looks just like flawless. I just love it. All right, next let's go ahead. We're not gonna contour, but we are gonna bronze. My favorite stuff to use is by Physicians Formula. I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer. Mine is in the deep bronzer shade. Yes, it actually exists if they don't just have like a bronze that doesn't like work. I do think that they need to like be a little bit more inclusive on their bronzer shades though. I feel like just because you are of a deep skin tone does not mean that you don't also want to be bronze. You know, there's just something that's like really like healthy, like nice glow about just having like a nice little bit of extra like bronze to your skin, and for some reason they think that like only like fair to like olive skin tones want to be bronze, so no. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this. We're gonna take some and we're gonna go ahead and just kind of dust it onto our cheeks like so, and just kind of deepen it up. Nice little healthy bronze look like we've seen the sun. And a little secret for those of you that like to wear your hair up, if your ears are usually a lot lighter, I just like to dust a little bit of bronzer over the ear. That way your ears match the rest of your face. That way if you pull your hair back, you don't look crazy. So there you go. So very easy, simple bronze. We are almost done. Next thing that we're gonna do is we are going to take an eyeshadow. You want to go and find a nice nude eyeshadow that's maybe like 2 or 3 shades deeper than your eyelids. So I'm actually gonna go into the Morphe X Jacklyn Hill palette. This is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So opening it up, this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna go into this color right here, Agent, which is kind of like a nice little, bronzy, kind of an orangey shade. So I'm gonna actually go in with a pretty big blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip on into there, just ever so lightly, and I'm just gonna wash this into my crease, just to kind of give a little bit more dimension to my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take this and just kind of dust it in, and we're just gonna blend this until it kind of like almost disappears into the eyelid. Just really, really, really go in and just smoke this out. And there you go. That's all we're doing. And make sure that it's a warmer shade. So when you're going in to kind of find, you know, a shade that's 2 or 3 shades deeper than your actual skin tone, look for more of like a warm tone shade, not a cool tone shade. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. Alright, and that's all that we're doing for eyeshadow. I'm telling you, it's as simple. Everybody can do this. We're not doing any cut creases. Just take a nice warm shade, take a big old fluffy brush, blend it all in there just to kind of add a little bit of warmth to your eyes, and like that's it. We'll be adding a little bit of like highlighter in there in a little bit, but like just we'll get there. It'll be really, really simple, really easy to do. Next thing that we're gonna do is find a pair of lashes. This step is optional. I do prefer to wear lashes. However, I'm gonna wear a pair of lashes that are a little bit more natural, so don't bring out your heavy glam Minnie Mouse eyelashes for this one. You wanna find like your really nice, thin, wispy lashes for this one. I'm gonna be using Lilly lashes. I believe these are the Goddess lashes. Yes, so these are the Goddess lashes. So basically this is what they look like. They are gorgeous. They are just like these nice thin little wispy lashes. They're not too full, not too crazy. So I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna glue these dudes up really quick. Alright, so while my lashes dry down really quick, the next step, this will be for whether you're wearing lashes or not, just go in with your favorite mascara. I use the Milk Kush mascara. This is like my favorite stuff right now. They actually have CBD oil in it instead of the usual beeswax, so it actually really helps to like condition your lashes and keep them from breaking off. It's a little bit pricey, but I really, really like it. So we're just gonna go on, and I'm gonna just do a very thin coat of mascara, because when we're putting lashes over it, those of you that are not wearing lashes, just go ahead and pile it on until your lashes look fierce. However, those of you with lashes, I will be piling it on my lower lashes so that my lower lashes match. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys on. So our lashes are on. Like I said, it's just a very light lash. They are a little bit dramatic, but they're not as dramatic as the lashes I normally wear. So for me, this is natural. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Go in with a very, very pretty highlighter. I'm gonna be going in with the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and just kind of dust it over my cheekbones per usual right here. Just a very, very light dusting, nothing too crazy. Take a little put on my nose and also over the bridge of my lips here. All right, next I'm gonna take a nice little, just whatever type of eyeshadow brush or like a pencil brush, something of that nature. I'm gonna take that same highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and pack a little bit into my inner corners here so that it looks like you kind of have like this kind of awake look. And I'm gonna take the excess and just kind of highlight the brow bone here and highlight the brow bone there. So we have a nice little highlighted brow bone. And to finish this look up, I'm gonna go in with just a simple lipstick. Take your favorite nude lipstick, you know, or you can even go in with a gloss and make it even more natural. Wow, I just like threw my lip pencil. Y'all, look what look at this. This thing is jacked up. I threw my lip pencil and now it looks a little ridiculous. So cool job, Tenna. This thing like face planted. Let's see if I can still do something with it though. For those of you wondering, this is a MAC lip pencil in the color Absolutely It. Kind of a reddish brown color. And then I'm gonna go in with this little lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in the color Give Me a Kiss from the Kris Jenner collection. One of my favorite nudes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just layer it on the inside here. And then I'm taking a small pencil brush just because I have a lip liner, just to kind of blend it together, just so that you can kind of get that seamless ombre blend. then we'll go ahead and finish off this entire look with your favorite setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and put this all over the face. Alright you guys, that is it. That is my full tutorial on my natural glam look. You can use this for really any occasion when you're feeling a little, you know, comfortable on the weekends. You don't want to go full glam. You're going to church. You need to meet with your pastor to confess your sins. I don't know. But this is just your appropriate everyday. You can wear it to work. You can do anything with this face that you want to do with it. Anyways, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully this was a fun little tip to put in your back pocket that you can use in the future for when you're feeling a little natural and a little glam and don't want to put too much effort into your makeup. Otherwise, that is it, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.